As human beings become more empowered, there is a fundamental need for us to become more conscious and responsible rather than reactive and compulsive. Well, if we look at ourselves from what we were 1,000 years ago and what we are today, in terms of what we can do in the world as individual human beings and as a larger humanity in the world, it's simply unimaginable. We have been so super empowered by instruments of technology and knowledge of science. When such a privilege and empowerment has come to us, it becomes extremely important that we become conscious. Our actions are not instinctive and reactive, but a conscious movement. If we react like how we would have done by flight or fight response, as we would have done 10,000 years ago, if we do that today, for the level of empowerment that we have, we will destroy this world in no time. Do not understand destruction of the world only as nuclear bombs, hydrogen bombs and neutron bombs. No, we can simply destroy with our vigor our enterprise, our business, our industry, the way we do politics and policy. All this can be very super destructive. So, it is not only for the leaders to be conscious and responsible. Today, every citizen is super empowered, so it's very important that every human being strives to become conscious and our actions or our activity becomes in response to the situation in which we exist, rather than in a reactive or dogmatic ways of doing things. It is time for human consciousness to rise, time to create a conscious planet.